Starting your first garden can feel intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. You don't need a green thumb or acres of space to grow your own food. In fact, some vegetables are practically foolproof. They'll reward you with big harvests even if you're brand new to gardening. In this video, I'll show you the easiest vegetables to grow for first-time gardeners, ones that don't need fancy tools, constant care, or years of experience. Let's dig in. Let's start with something quick and rewarding. Lettuce and salad greens. They grow fast, don't need deep soil, and you can grow them in the ground, in raised beds, or even in containers on a balcony. Try varieties like butterhead, romaine, or loose leaf lettuce. And mix in spinach, arugula, or kale for variety. The secret? Keep the soil moist and harvest often. Cut the outer leaves and the plant keeps producing. That's called the cut and come again method. Within just 4 to 6 weeks, you'll have fresh salads right from your garden. Next up, radishes. They're the ultimate instant gratification crop for beginners. Why? They germinate fast, sometimes in just 3 to 5 days, and they're ready to harvest in as little as 3 weeks. They grow well in almost any soil and don't need a ton of sun. If you're gardening with kids, this is a great one to start with. Quick results, crunchy texture, and bright color. Beans are another beginner favorite. They're tough, productive, and delicious. You can grow bush beans in pots or raised beds, or pole beans that climb up a trellis or fence. Plant the seeds after the last frost, water regularly, and you'll have beans in 6 to 8 weeks. The more you pick, the more they grow. So you'll have fresh harvests all summer long. Bonus tip: beans also improve your soil by fixing nitrogen, so they feed the next crop you plant too. No garden feels complete without tomatoes. They're incredibly rewarding and, honestly, surprisingly easy if you pick the right variety. For beginners, I'd say start with cherry or grape tomatoes. They're fast-growing, less prone to disease, and don't require constant pruning. Just plant them in full sun, water deeply a few times per week, and support them with a cage or stake. You'll be amazed how much fruit a single plant can produce, and once you've tasted your own homegrown tomato, there's just no going back. If you want to feel like a gardening pro right away, plant zucchini. These plants are incredibly productive. 1 or 2 can feed an entire family. They love sun, need plenty of space, and will produce tons of fruit if you keep picking them. Harvest when they're small and tender, around 6 to 8 inches long. That's when they taste best. Fair warning though, once they start producing, you might find yourself sneaking zucchinis onto your neighbors' porches. Carrots are another satisfying crop for new gardeners. They don't need much attention, just loose, well-drained soil and consistent moisture. Sow the seeds thinly, keep the top layer of soil damp until they sprout, and let them grow for about 70 to 80 days. Pull one up occasionally to check the size. That's half the fun. And hey, if your soil is rocky or dense, try growing short or round carrot varieties like Paris Market. Peas are perfect for cooler weather. Plant them in early spring or fall when it's not too hot. They climb easily on supports, produce sweet, crunchy pods, and keep going for weeks. The best part? You can eat them straight off the vine, no cooking required. And just like beans, peas also enrich your soil naturally. Try sugar snap or snow peas. Both grow fast and taste amazing. And here's a quick bonus: herbs. Basil, parsley, mint, and chives are all beginner-friendly, grow quickly and thrive in small containers. They look beautiful, smell incredible, and honestly, they make your cooking taste restaurant level. So there you have it, the easiest vegetables to grow for first-time gardeners. Start with a few of these, give them sunlight, water, and a little patience, and you'll be harvesting your own food before you know it. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more simple garden tips, and let me know in the comments, which veggie are you growing first this season? Until next time, happy planting. And remember, every great gardener started with one seed.